Lat Smash Orb Ball. Do you struggle to put your arms overhead with your biceps touching your ears and your elbows locked? Do you feel shoulder pain when overhead pressing, performing handstands, doing Olympic snatches, or at the very bottom of the chin-up? Chances are you have tight lats. I explain this a little bit more in the Test and Fix Your Overhead Mobility for Handstands video. A simple tool we can use as a quick fix for tight lats is foam rolling. I find foam rolling is only a short-term solution and not the answer to long-term flexibility. However, foam rolling your tight lats before doing any overhead work can have a positive effect on the training session. You can use a foam roller, but I found the Orb Ball to be a much better option for the lats. It's a little more targeted. Stand next to a wall and position the ball or foam roller on the outside edge of the lats. I find bending the elbow and placing the hand on the back of the head creates a nice stretch in the lats and allows a little more stability in the movement to come. Walk the feet away from the wall so you can lean into the ball. Then begin to roll against the ball by bending the knees and moving the torso up and down. You can also rotate the torso and shift the ball around as needed. As the muscle starts to warm up, you can move the feet further away from the wall and lean into the ball with more force. If you find any tight or crunchy areas, I recommend you focus on ironing them out. If you have tight shoulders, I also recommend spending a good 60 seconds on each side before doing any overhead pressing or pulling work. You can do multiple sets between overhead pressing and pulling movements if you like. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe as this encourages me to keep sharing great content.